How do I use componentWillMount in React hooks? In the official docs of React it mentions, if you're familiar with React class lifecycle methods, you can think of useEffectHook as componentDidMount, componentDidUpdate, and componentWillUnMount combined. My question is, how can we use the componentWillMount lifecycle method in a hook? You cannot use any of the existing lifecycle methods, componentDidMount, componentDidUpdate, componentWillUnMount, etc., in a hook. They can only be used in class components, and hooks can only be used in functional components. The line below comes from the React doc. If you're familiar with React class lifecycle methods, you can think of the useEffectHook as componentDidMount, componentDidUpdate, and componentWillUnMount combined. You can mimic these lifecycle methods in a functional components. Code inside componentDidMount runs once when the component is mounted. The useEffectHook equivalent for this behavior is useEffect function. Your code here. Notice the second parameter, empty array. This will run only once. Without the second parameter, the useEffectHook will be called on every render of the component. componentWillUnMount is used for cleanup, like removing event listeners, cancelling a timer, etc. Say you are adding an event listener in componentDidMount and removing it in componentWillUnMount as below. Hook equivalent of above code will be as follows. The returned function in useEffect will be called on componentUnMount. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.